Hello and welcome of you to English Proficiency. This is Mohammed. This is our second class in practice speaking for beginners. Follow up to our first class. Today we're going to practice some basic conversations in which we're going to learn some expressions related to greetings and meeting people who speak English. After that, we will move to explain the expressions and have some more extra examples. At the end of the session, we will have some exercises together to make sure that you understand the lesson very well. Please do not forget to have a pen as well as a notebook, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. Well, let's get in.
Conversation number 1.
Hello.
Oh, good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing well. And you?
I am pretty fine, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Elias. What about you?
I'm Mila. How do you spell that?
It's Elias.
Nice to meet you, Elias.
Nice to meet you too.
Conversation number 2. Where are you from, Elias?
I am from France, and you?
I'm from Spain. Where do you live in France?
I live in Toulouse, and where do you live?
I live in Bilbao.
Oh, Bilbao is a beautiful city.
Yes. How old are you?
I am 28 years old. What about you?
I'm 24 years old.
What is your job?
I'm a doctor trainee. And you?
I am a web designer.
Well, we have some expressions we saw in the first class. Now we're going to move to see other expressions. Where are you from? Where are you from? We say where are you from to ask for someone's country. A country is like France, Morocco, the United States. So these are countries. So to ask about someone's country, you say, where are you from? They respond, I am from Morocco. Or they will say, I am from France. I am from Canada. Okay, got it? We move. Yeah. The second one is, where do you live? So to say where do you live means you're asking for someone's city or hometown. A city is like New York, like Tokyo, like Paris, like Casablanca. So these are cities. Well, so when somebody asks you, where do you live? You may answer, I am from Casablanca. Or you simply say, I am from New York. I am from, I am from Tokyo. Or you can say, I love this city. You can say, I am from Bilbao. Well, we moved. There is another particular expression, and this is like, how old are you? Like when somebody asks you, how old are you? They are asking about your age. So, okay, when somebody asks you, how old are you? You may respond, I am 28 years old. So with the age, you give the age plus years old. Got it? Okay, another example. Somebody would say, I am 24 years old. I am 40 years old. Well, so we move to the last one. This one is, what is your job? We say what is your job to ask about someone's job, so it is clear and obvious. Well, but there are some other good ways to say, what is your job? Okay, we can say, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living means, what is your job? So it is the same. Like when you ask somebody, like, what is your job? They may answer, I am a teacher. If you ask me, what do you do for a living? I would say, I am a teacher. So it is the same. And well, there is another way to say, what is your job? We can simply say, what do you do? Like again, if you ask somebody, what do you do? They would say, I am a doctor, or I am a web designer, or like say, I am a singer, I am an actor. So like you say, what is your job? Or what do you do for a living? Or you can simply say, what do you do? To make sure you understand the lessons very well, let's do these exercises together.
Exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with am, is, what, do. Paul. Your name. Christine. My name. Christine. Paul. What you do. Christine. I, a dentist. You can pause the video to do the exercise. Now we correct. Paul. What's your name? Christine. My name is Christine. Paul. What do you do? Christine. I'm a dentist. Exercise number 2. Put the words in order to make questions. Number 1. Your, what's, name. Number 2. Do, live, where, you. Number 3. Are, how, old, you. Number 4. From, you, where, are. You can pause the video to do the exercise. Let's correct. Number 1. What's your name? Number 2. Where do you live? Number 3. How old are you? Number 4. Where are you from?
Thank you so much for participating in my lessons and for having time to watch my videos. I promise I will find time for you too to make more lessons. By the end of this course, you can pass A2 tests. You will also be able to use simple, correct grammar. You will be able to talk about daily life and activities, as well that you will have a good pronunciation. On the other hand, I need your support, guys. More likes, shares and comments means more videos. Well, thank you so very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please be safe, enjoy your time. I wish you a good journey with English, and well, bye bye for now.